Hey, my friends, this is the July and August mail call video. So one of you reached out to me, actually multiple people did, and said you should show all the cards in one video that you received throughout the month that are like, you know, somebody sending me a card or a gift as a thank you. And I have included my mailing address at the bottom of this video. So if you are interested in sending me a card and having it featured in a mail call video coming up, then go ahead and send me something and I will share it. So we're going to start with this one. This is from my team member, Kathy Cornea. And it just has a sweet thank you message in it. And she didn't put anything else, so I can reuse the card. And I think that that is really sweet because I like to reuse cards. Okay, the next one I have here is a beautiful shaker card from my team member, Katina. She put gorgeous shakers in it and used that beautiful painted, what is that called? Expressions in Art Designer Series paper. Gorgeous card, and Katina Martinez is the one that made this, and she just left a sweet note inside. We had her daughter all weekend for the fair, and so we decided to keep her all weekend and treat her to a fun extended weekend with the fair and that kind of stuff. So she made me this card as a thank you, and she got me a beautiful gift. So, and I don't have the gift actually with me. It was, she got me 2 devotional books and a coffee mug that says, "Turn your eyes on Jesus." So I thought that was really nice. Okay, this card is from Roxanne. She, again, didn't put anything on it, so I can reuse it. It's beautiful. I love the foil heart, and I love this little banner sentiment here. She did a great job. Beautiful card. Thank you, Roxanne. She is also a customer and a team member. Okay, this is from Mary Hubbard. She's one of my customers, and she just made this very simple, sweet thank you card, and it just has a nice message inside. So I thought this was really beautiful. It uses some of that In Color Designer Series paper, monochromatic, super simple and sweet. This card is from my team member, Sandra Hernandez. She sent me a "You Are the Greatest" card, and it sits up like this so I can display it and look at it. It's beautiful. I love anything tropical, by the way. And she just wanted to send me hugs. I was having a little struggle. I was just struggling a little. You know, we're all going through it lately. We all have our ups and downs, and so I was just having a little bit of down, and she sent me this card, and it really lifted my spirits. It's so beautiful. Thank you, Sandra. Okay, this card is from Sandra, I think. Sandy Wogeman. She created this beautiful gatefold card and a beautiful message inside. Love this card. So pretty. Okay, this one, Hugs Enclosed. Oops, I don't want to reveal the person's address. This is a envelope that somebody made. This is by Linda Dinwiddie. And the card inside is equally as pretty. So pretty, using that hand-penned Designer Series paper. "I joined Stampin' Up! For the discount, but have stayed for the fun. I appreciate all you do. Hugs, Linda." Isn't that sweet? So sweet. Thank you, Linda. Okay, this one is just a cute little hello card from my Mary Kay lady. She also uses Stampin' Up! Product because her mother-in-law is actually my mentor, Rhonda. And so she makes cards and sends sweet little cards as thank yous for ordering with her. So that's from Maddie. And I've linked to her Mary Kay store below the video if you need a Mary Kay lady. She's awesome. So this is from Carla Goodlace. She sent a thank you card. "Thanks so much for the goodies over the past few weeks, for being chosen in your Color Splash Challenge. It inspires me to think differently in combining colors that I would not usually put together. God bless, Carla. So if you don't already know, I do a color splash video every week. And in my VIP group, these are the people who place an order with me. You're allowed to be part of my VIP group, and I do giveaways if you do a color splash. So anyway, that's what this is. So thank you, Carla. This is from Mary Hubbard as well. She sent me this. This is an old school card. We made this card in a card class that I did years ago. So when I got this in the mail, I was just like, whoa, that's a flashback. So super cute card. Thank you, Mary. A little something for a great person. This is from Sandra. Just wanted to let you know, to say thanks for letting me do Christmas in July with you. She's so sweet. It was an honor to do Christmas in July with her. So if you purchased my Christmas in July event, Sandra and I did that together. We partnered together. She's on my team. And this was the card she sent me. She's so awesome. Okay. This is from my team member, Debbie Deshane. And she sent me this note. It's pretty long, just letting me know like what's going on with her and how she's been doing. And this card is gorgeous. So thank you, Miss Debbie, for sending me that. Oh, when I got this from Sandra, this came with it along with a cute little tag. She sewed these little baskets and she made me one. And so it's a Christmas one. So I'm going to kind of stash it away. And then at Christmas time, I'll use it in my craft room for something fun. Okay. So this card is really cool. Each section is scored. And then there's all the tigers. And they open individually. Da-da-da! Really neat card. This was from Vicky. I think this is from Vicky Lauer. Yeah, so this is from Vicky, and it's incredible. She did such a good job. Oops, the little tiger on the bottom needs to stick out. And then there's a little bees inside, and it's got like the scored X's. It's just really cool. Very, very cool. Good job, Vicky. Okay, this card is from Diane Andrade. She is a customer of mine. And is she on my team too? I think she might be. Maybe that's Diane Young. Oh my goodness. I have too many Dianes. This card is gorgeous. It is totally my style. I love the gray with the pop of color on the front. And she won a stamp set at the paper party and she was thanking me. So that is super cool. This was actually, yeah, from the very beginning of July. Okay, next is a card from Janice Sumrak. This is a thank you card. So beautiful. Winning the Marvelous Markers was a wonderful surprise. I did not have the complete set. Having them all is a real treat. Thank you, Jan. So she won mini Marvelous Markers, a whole pack of them from me. And so this was the thank you card she sent, which was so kind. It's beautiful, by the way. And this is from my team member, Roberta Timmons. Roberta is one of my leaders, and she sent me this cute little card. This is actually a swap card. I'm just now realizing it got mixed in with the random act of kindness cards. I have a whole box of swap cards that I need to show you guys that I haven't done yet. But anyway, we'll just show this one here. So this was a swap card, and it's really cute. I love the little penguin. So thank you, Miss Roberta. So that's it. Those are all of my cards, random acts of kindness from July and August, and my little gifts. And I just thought I would show them all to you. And I'm going to try to do this every single month. So if you have a card that you want to send, my address is in the description below the video. And then I can show your card and we can chat about it. I really appreciate so many people thinking of me and being so kind, because it really does make my day brighter whenever I receive a card in the mail. And I know it's the same for anybody else who receives a card. So thanks for tuning in for a little bit. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.